Hi, I'm Barka Herman with StarTree. In this module, we will take a look at ThirdEye entities. There are three types of ThirdEye entities defined within the StarTree ThirdEye product. The first is data entities. This is everything to do with the data that we're actually monitoring for anomaly. So this is where the data is coming from, what data type it is, and what we're monitoring within the data. Next is the alert entities. The alert entities define the kind of anomaly we are looking for, the metrics, the dimensions, and specifics and filters within an alert. Finally, we have the notification entities, where we define how to notify people when an anomaly happens. Let's talk about the data entities. First, we have the data source. So this is usually an instance of Apache Pinot installation. Within the data source, we have data sets. There is a one-to-one mapping from tables to data set. Now you can have multiple data sets represent the same table. However, a data set typically is a table. Finally, we have metrics. And metrics are usually a numeric value, and it's a column within a data set that we are monitoring to figure out whether an anomaly has happened or not. It could be either too low or too high for an anomaly to occur. Let's talk about alert entities. The first type of alert entity is the alert itself. We also call it the detection pipeline. This is the recipe for what we're actually alerting on. In other words, what kind of anomaly we're looking for. It includes not only the data set, the metric, the dimensions, but also the algorithms, as well as any filters or minutia that we want to monitor to figure out whether an anomaly has happened or not. The alert template is more of a boilerplate. So we have out of the box many alert templates available where you can just drag and drop and create a particular alert based on them. An alert template will typically have an algorithm as well as some supporting artifacts such as metrics, the type of metrics that should be covered, some date ranges, and things like that. An anomaly, on the other hand, is the result of a detection pipeline. So when an alert happens, an anomaly is resulted, and this has details about what triggered the anomaly, what time, how anomalous was the event. In other words, how high was it, how low was it, and how long it lasted. And finally, we have the notification entities. Anomaly detection is no good unless somebody knows it has happened. So we have these two types of notification entities. The first one being a subscription group, where we have a group of people who will be notified when anomaly happens. So this could be emails, it could be Slack channels. It could also be the ability to run a script or a program when an anomaly is detected. And next is the notification system. So this notification system itself forwards the alert to the subscription group. In the next module, we'll be talking about worker management.